Hobbits, a prayer of St.G. The hobbits live their halfling lives in a halfling world. On one end, Mordor and all things evil. The other pole, a vast mystery. But surely there was a great and good king who would battle to a triumph. It was this hope seen in their minds and in their hearts, which saw them through suffering, fused their fellowship, and delivered them. Our poles seem sometimes near and sometimes distant, and surely there is a good king there. But how shall we go to that place? Who will show us the way? At some point in our lives, our half-life is made full. This an unconscious thing. Try as we might, we cannot find the ladder which leads upward. There is a gap, not of space, not of time, but of a state of being. One who lives this state can only confer it upon another. This is a bestowal of new life, lived alongside the old, but is the true reality. The elements of its life are beyond us now. For this reason we are given faith, that which will be no more when all is seen. And we do not see you, feel you, but believe you. Trust and obey is the way of life and the way to life. Like fish in the sea, we swim sometimes with direction, always toward our immediate good, but greatly overwhelmed by 7 oceans and the 4 winds which blow over them. And upon the land all seems well. The heavens drape blue over a western river, bending between high mountains in rushes of white water, and then calm flats where fishes leap, and the occasional moose comes to drink. In other times the Sioux encamped upon these banks, and there was heaven upon the earth. Warm days on naked red skin, children playing and laughing, grandfathers, ponies, puppies, and all the joys of living out of doors. Let it be so again, Lord, and I be there. For the same great spirit which was known wanders here still, and drapes the day with loveliness and courage, vision and blessing. It was in vision we saw this place and longed to go there. So our life was half complete, it was not ended. Let it end this way, a way of ancestors and of peace, and the Lord seen in all places, all things. The smoke of community swirls and rises up, a sacrament. The river cleanses and feeds, a sacrament. The very sky descends, a hushing blanket put upon the land, to warm, to serve, to show the stars of heaven. Thus these were read and said of great things to come. A spirit not silent, but promising, then doing. Himself a family and a oneness, a power, a presence, and a person, who from before time decreed to us good things, and caused them to happen. Yea, this not the valley of death, but of life, fruitful, joyful, active, loving, the blessed earth as it was and will be. Amen.